Hey guys, it's me Prasad Vedpadak, your Indian consumer, and today I have here with me a 2.1 speaker. This speaker is from iBall. It's called as the iBall Tarang, and it comes with FM radio. So this speaker is available on Flipkart for 2525 rupees, and the purchase link I've provided below in the description. So if you want to buy, you can go through the link, and it will really help our channel. So let's take a closer look at the speakers now. Here they are. The body is completely made up of MDF, which is medium density fiberboard, or which is also known as compressed wood here. So you can see this nice beautiful finish that the speakers have. At this price range, I feel these speakers are very nice because they're also offering a USB slot, a SD slot, and along with FM. And the subwoofer, guys, is really amazing on these speakers, which I'll be demonstrating to you later in this video. So here you can see the slots, the USB slot, the SD slot, and these are the buttons: the play button, mode button, standby, the LED light, and the remote sensor. So this is the back side of the speaker. This is completely metal here. This is the port for the audio input. Down you can see the cords which I have connected for audio output, where you can connect your auxiliary cable and directly play music using your cell phone, MP3 player, your PC, laptop. They are compatible with everything. Power output is 400 watts, and they come with a 1-year warranty, so which is again a nice thing. The auxiliary cable. This is the pin for the FM radio, which goes here, so you can also play FM radio on this, which is another nice thing which you don't see in other speakers in this price range in the market right now. Creative, Philips, other speakers are also available, but I feel these speakers offer much more. They also come with a remote control. Here you can see the remote control. Let me quickly show you the battery inside the remote control. So here is the battery. This is the CR2025 battery, 3-volt battery. Let's quickly hear them and see how they exactly sound, so you get a better idea. So guys, I'll quickly show you how they sound. Obviously I have to play all the songs which don't have the copyright issue with them, which YouTube provides me. So guys, here you can see the green colored light which indicates it is on. You can press standby and the light will turn red, which shows it is on standby mode now. So you can press this power button here on the remote control, or the standby button provided on the unit here, to resume. So this is how you can control it. The button here which says modes will convert from the USB, SD, auxiliary port, or the FM. Now I'll show you full volume. So guys, summing it up, based on the sound quality, I'll rate them 8 out of 10 because the bass on these speakers is really nice. Considering them to be a 2.1 speakers, they produce outstanding bass. The build quality, I'll rate them 9 out of 10. I really like the MDF wood, the wood finish, all the buttons, everything. The back panel, which is metal, they seem to be of a really nice quality, so I rate them 9 on 10. Features, talking about the features, they offer really nice compatibilities with one USB port, SD slot, auxiliary input. They also come with FM radio, so which is again very nice. And for the features, I rate them 9 on 10. Based on price compared to other competitors, I again rate them 9 out of 10 because they come at a really cheap price. So overall, I rate them 8.75 out of 10. That is my verdict. If you want to buy these speakers, you can click on the link below in the description, and that will really help our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys.